All right, check this out. This video is for all my gym rats, everybody who goes to the gym and works out. For all of you who said manifesting is hard, you think manifesting is difficult. It is not. You are actually the example of manifesting. Why? Because you have an idea of what you want to look like, an ideal size, an ideal weight, an ideal body type that you're working towards. So that is what you are trying to manifest. And by going to the gym and working out at the gym, you are aligning yourself with actions that are aligned with your manifestation. And when you are doing that, you're working out, you're putting energy behind that. The energies behind the thoughts that you have. Once you feel those and connect those two, you will see a change. As always, we've seen the differences in people before and after pictures and working out and running and weightlifting and losing weight. So you are manifesting your ideal body. You're doing that at the gym. So it's no thing. Stay aligned with your manifestation. Stay on track. You got this.